Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Honest Mechanic, your go-to channel for all things automotive. I'm Brian, your friendly neighborhood mechanic, and today we're shifting gears to discuss a critical issue for manual transmission drivers, the notorious bad slave cylinder symptoms. This little component plays a huge role in smooth gear shifts and clutch operations. So if you've ever grappled with a stubborn gear shift or felt something wasn't quite right with your clutch pedal, this video is for you. Let's get started. One of the first signs of a failing slave cylinder is experiencing difficulty while shifting gears. This can feel like your gear stick is being stubborn, refusing to slide into place as smoothly as it should. This happens because the slave cylinder, a key player in controlling the clutch mechanism, isn't able to efficiently disengage the clutch. When it's not performing at its best, the hydraulic pressure necessary for smooth gear shifts takes a hit. Next on our list of symptoms is an unusually soft or spongy clutch pedal. A healthy pedal should feel firm under your foot and spring right back up when you lift off. If instead it feels like you're stepping into a marshmallow, you might have air in your hydraulic line, a telltale sign of a leaky slave cylinder. The entire clutch operation relies on the fluid pressure in this system, so any compromise here can lead to some frustrating pedal problems. Now, imagine you've pressed down your clutch pedal and it just stays there, sunk to the floor like a stone in a pond. A bit dramatic, but it's a serious symptom of a bad slave cylinder. This happens when there's a significant loss of hydraulic pressure, and it's not just inconvenient, it's a safety hazard. If your clutch pedal decides to take a nap while you're driving, you're not going to be able to change gears. Let's talk leaks. Regularly peeking under your car isn't just for the mechanically inclined. Spotting traces of hydraulic fluid around the clutch pedal or under the vehicle can be a lifesaver. This is often a sign that the seals within the cylinder have worn out, leading to fluid leakage, and it's one of the most visible symptoms of a bad slave cylinder. Lastly, pay attention to how your clutch engages when shifting gears. If it feels like the engagement point is doing a dance, varying with each use, you might be dealing with a failing slave cylinder. Inconsistent clutch engagement isn't just annoying. It often leads to a jumpy or jerky ride, which can be quite a nuisance. Slave cylinders are subject to wear and tear, just like any other mechanical component. They bear the brunt of countless gear shifts, and over time, the internal seals that keep the hydraulic fluid contained start to deteriorate. As these seals wear out, fluid begins to leak, reducing the hydraulic pressure needed for smooth gear shifts. Additionally, if the hydraulic fluid becomes contaminated, it can lead to internal corrosion within the cylinder. This, in turn, greatly affects the cylinder's performance. Contaminated fluid can also cause internal corrosion, affecting the cylinder's performance. So there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at bad slave cylinder symptoms. These issues can be subtle, yet they have a significant impact on your driving experience. Difficulty in shifting gears, a soft or spongy clutch pedal, a clutch pedal that stays on the floor, visible fluid leaks, and inconsistent clutch engagement. All these are telltale signs of a failing slave cylinder. And remember, ignoring these symptoms can put your transmission system at risk, and more importantly, compromise your safety on the road. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't hesitate. Seek professional help immediately. An expert can diagnose and address the problem, ensuring your vehicle stays in top shape and your drives remain smooth and safe. Thank you for tuning into Honest Mechanic. Your vehicle deserves the best care, and we're here to help you provide it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights and tips. Drive safely, and see you in the next video.